Okay, here we go guys. So here is the front of the truck, as you can see. Big truck. And so what you've got to do, if you want to dip the engine and see what's going on, is you've got to pull this out. And then the rhubar comes forward. It folds forward like that. And then you've got to come round here. And you've got to undo this lap here. Like that. And then you lift the whole front of the engine up like that. Look at that. Isn't that something, hey? So the whole front of the truck is leant forward. And then you come here into this area here, which is the engine now. This is the big engine. And you have a look at the oil. The oil is all good, don't need to add any oil. So that's very good. It means that I'm driving the truck well and not burning lots of oil. That's good. And you check the belts to make sure that they're all still on there and things are working. That's the turbo. You might hear Zach talk about the turbo. That's the turbo there. And then the water for the radiator comes up here. And that's the big radiator there. That keeps the engine cool. Now if we walk around this side, this is the power steering. So you got to check this as well because it's a very heavy truck. And if you don't have power steering, you can't turn the wheel. And then these are the filters. Here's the air filter. And these are hydraulic filters. And there's the alternator that makes power so that it charges and runs the phone and the radio and all the lights. And there's the big engine up onto my truck. Isn't that cool?